Freshers Come Literary Meet 2019 was organized yesterday at SSS 1 Auditorium, JNU. On the occasion of Freshers Come Literary Meet, DAMS also officially released their annual magazine, Khongthang, The Echo of Pangal Volume 2. Deputy Chief Minister of Tripura, Jisnu Dev Burman, inaugurated a new seminar enclave in the complex of Nazrul Kala Kshetra, Agartala yesterday. The seminar was in collaboration with Sahitya Academy and organized by NECOL Agartala. Kangbai Battalion of Loktak Brigade, in association with Humanism Foundation, inaugurated a skill development center at Kumbi College yesterday. As the centre is ready to push for passage of Citizenship Amendment Bill, the North-East Forum of Indigenous People has announced resumption of mass agitation against the bill from today. Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Man and Minister of Civil Supplies Kamlong Mosang called on Governor Retired Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at Raj Bhavan in Agartala yesterday. They reviewed the development programs and projects, law and order issues and civil supplies position, including of Bijoynagar in the state.